Hello students, have a wonderful morning to all. This is our social science class. Students, in our previous video we had started new chapter Climate of India and we have discussed about 4 points: weather, atmosphere, humidity and climate. So in this video we will discuss about differences between weather and climate and the factors affecting climate. First of all, we will see the differences between weather and climate. So let's start. Weather and climate. Weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere, while the climate is the average weather conditions of a place that exist over a long period of time. Weather of a place does not remain constant, while climate of a place remains constant over a long period of time. Weather can change within a few minutes or hours. Climate takes very long time to change. Weather can be defined as the atmosphere at a given time and place with respect to variables such as wind, moisture, storms, snow, temperature, etc. While climate is defined as the various atmospheric conditions which include rainfall, temperature, wind, humidity, etc. in a region over a long period of time. Now, factors affecting climates. The climate of a place mainly depends on the following factors: the height of the place, distance from the sea, and the distance of a place from the equator. Now let's see these points in detail. The height of the place. The height of a place above sea level or ground level is referred to as its altitude. The higher a place from sea level, the colder it is. For instance, if we travel from the plains to the mountain, we observe that as we go higher up the mountains, the temperature starts to decrease and it gets cooler. Second, distance from the sea. The winds blowing from the sea are cooler and carry a lot of moisture. Hence, they affect the climate of a place. If you observe, the coastal plains of India experience moderate type of climate, that is, the climate is neither too hot nor too cold. Also, the humidity is high. Next, the distance of a place from the equator also affects the climate of a place. Students, that's all for today. I hope you understood well. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.